It is polite to start with a warm welcome and to introduce ourselves. We, the team B IoTians from Banaraman Institute of Technology, we are here to showcase our project titled IoT Visualization Based Smart Factory for Additive Manufacturing System with Visual Inspection using Machine Learning Approach. I am excited to introduce my team leader Jagdishwaran from the branch of Mechatronics whose portrayal is System Integrator. Next to the lineup, let me reveal our coordinator, Mr. Sivabalakrishnan from the branch of Mechatronics, whose appearance is Team Guider. Next to the lineup, Deepan Kumar from the Department of Mechatronics, whose aspect is Software Designer. Here comes myself, Abhishek from the branch of Mechatronics, whose performance is as a software programmer. Final blow comes with Jay Sanjay from the Department of Mechatronics, whose part is Hardware Designer. Let us see the problem statement. We found some problems in industries like low production rate, lack of proper resource utilization, and a poor communication between customer and manufacturer. To overcome these problems, we have to improve production stack analysis, communicate top floor of the industry directly with the shop floor, and to automate machine to increase production rate along with the production quality. For this, we have made a project setup. The total set consists of 3 control panels. First one is the main control panel to control total project setup. Then comes the pneumatic panel for pneumatic actuation such as robotic gripper, cylinder actuation. Followed by robotic SCADA controller and machine vision controller for robotic actuation and vision inspection. Along with that, we have 3D printer for additive manufacturing setup. Nowadays, 3D printer part have been used from medical to aeroscience projects. We have designed a custom-made robotic gripper for a SCADA 4-axis robot for relocating manufactured parts with complete isolation. Inspection through machine vision, which can provide error-free production status in replace of human power. A clear demonstration of project setup begins with the 2 feeder unit consist of enclosures. The enclosure parts are moved to the conveyor through pneumatic semi-rotary actuator as the conveyor belt transfers the part to the pre-inspection area. After completing 3D printing process, post-inspection takes place. We have designed 3 sectors of dashboard axis for each and every individuals such as maintenance, customer and manufacturer. When the customer places order through the online, it intimates the industry's production line stake list. Also by this the customer can know about the exact status of their product easily. Also, this resembles the live inspection status of the manufactured product to the customer.